Hello friend, in my previous video I was sharing with you three stories that happened to me in my journey. The first one was when I was walking and I heard a horse and I came. And the second one was when I saw this great day and then it turned around and helped me. And the third one it was when I first went back to France and I was helping my mother. And as I was sitting at the table drinking my coffee, I saw this little bird and I shared it with him or her. And that type of bird of joy. And I'm not sure how often this scenery that and there is even don't know themselves, they are coming to you, especially we are all l'ami de l'homme and we so horse can actually feel, they can sense your, even from your smell, they can sense your, when you're sad, when you're hurt, and they have been used for many years to for people who have handicap in hospital and they're a very big helper and comforting. But not just horse, dogs are also very good. I guess this is not a guess. This all animals seems to have a higher sense of human empathy. And these three animals that I have encountered during my time uh, were really the best example what was happening to me at that time. I was not even aware that I was distressed, but then animals can sense this, whatever is happening inside of us. We maybe can cover up with the makeup and hair and maybe sitting and I don't know if I was pretending to enjoy having my cup of coffee when I know that my mother was in the hospital, but the bird do have a high frequency. They can sense storm, they can sense even volcano. And so this is my message to you today, that I just want to share this with you, that when an animal come to you, be present, because he or she might be aware of something you don't even know. There's a sadness inside of you that you don't even know that exists. And this animal is coming to rescue you, to bring back to life, to reality, that there's always someone special at the end of the rainbow, at the end of the road, that is going to be just your friend. And this is my message to you. This is Madame Printemps, Chantal Pons. And please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like. And see you next time. À bientôt. Au revoir.